Good morning, friends. Now proudly present for you online assembly. Today, assembly conducted by 4th standard students. I would like to invite our Honorable Headmistress being a teacher for speech.
ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് എവരിവൺ. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ഓൺലൈൻ അസംബ്ലി ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രത്യേകത നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയില്ലേ? അതെ, ജൂലൈ 21 ചാന്ദ്രദിനം. ചാന്ദ്രദിനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള കൂടുതൽ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടുകാർ നിങ്ങളുമായി പങ്കുവയ്ക്കും. പ്രീ പ്രൈമറി മുതൽ 4ാം ക്ലാസ് വരെ നമ്മൾ നടത്താറുള്ള അസംബ്ലി ഇനി എന്നാ ടീച്ചറെ നടത്താൻ പറ്റുക എന്ന് ചോദിച്ച് പല കൂട്ടുകാരും ടീച്ചറെ വിളിച്ചിരുന്നു. ആരും വിഷമിക്കേണ്ട, നമുക്ക് ഇന്നു മുതൽ ഓൺലൈൻ അസംബ്ലി ആരംഭിക്കാം. ഇന്നത്തെ അസംബ്ലി കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന 4ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ ടീച്ചറെയും കുട്ടികളെയും അവരോടൊപ്പം നിൽക്കുന്ന രക്ഷിതാക്കളെയും പ്രത്യേകം അഭിനന്ദിക്കുന്നു. വിഷിംഗ് യു ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്. താങ്ക് യു.
Thank you so much, teacher, for your valuable words. Good morning, friends. Now proudly present for you online assembly. Today assembly conducted by 4th standard students. First, I would like to invite Fatima Rusana for prayer. Dear God, please give me happy today. Help me to be bright, cheerful and game. Help me to do that things you want me to be to others kind and good. My parents, teachers and friends you plans and people's all in happiness. And people's all in happiness. And people's all in happiness. Thank you, Rusana. Next, I would like to invite Shama for pledge.
Is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. Their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Shama. Next, I would like to invite Devina for thought for the day.
Hi friends, I am Devina. Thought for the day. Education is what remains after one has forgotten everything he learned in school. By Albert Einstein. In this thought, he means that education is valuable treasure in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Devina. Next, I would like to invite Navda for news reading.
News read by Navda Vimalan, 4th standard. Lockdown imposed in Patambi. Plasma therapy started in Manjeri Medical College. License of 2 malls suspend in Thiruvananthapuram. Principal and IT Secretary M. Shivashankaran suspended from respected post. Satin pilot tried to topple Rajasthan government, says Chief Minister. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Navda. Next, we move on today's special programs. I think, what is the speciality for today? Oh yes, today July 21. Monday. I know you are very excited to see these programs. First, I invite our new friend Ashlap.
Hi friends, today is Moon Day. Do you know me? Yes, I am Neil Armstrong. I was the first to land on the moon.
Hi Safa. Hi Amna. Safa, today July 21. Yes. Do you know what is the specialty today? I don't know. Today July 21, Moon Day. Oh, I have forgot that. Okay. Thank you so much, Safa. You are welcome. Good morning, friends. Today Moon's Day. I'm Minha Fatima. everybody. I am Savan Venugopal. First answer is Yuri Gagarin.
The second question is, who is the first Indian woman astronaut?
Answer is Kalpana Chawla.
The third question is, what is the full form of PSLV?
Third answer is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle.
Thank you friends, it's amazing. Next, national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे